Hibiscus tea is loved worldwide for its tart flavor and vibrant color, but there's more to this drink than meets the eye. While it offers numerous health benefits, understanding its potential side effects is essential. In this video, we'll uncover 7 important things you must know about hibiscus tea to help you enjoy it safely. Hibiscus tea is made from the dried petals of the hibiscus flower. Rich in antioxidants and vitamins, it's praised for promoting heart health, reducing blood pressure, and supporting weight management. However, like any natural remedy, it's important to consume hibiscus tea mindfully, as overconsumption or specific conditions might cause adverse effects. One of the most well-known side effects of hibiscus tea is its ability to lower blood pressure. While this can benefit people with hypertension, those with naturally low blood pressure or on medication need to exercise caution. Drinking hibiscus tea in these cases might lead to dizziness, fainting, or even serious complications. Another aspect to consider is its impact on pregnancy. Hibiscus tea may stimulate uterine contractions, potentially leading to complications during pregnancy. Pregnant women or those trying to conceive are advised to consult with a healthcare provider before consuming it. Similarly, breastfeeding mothers should also proceed cautiously. Hibiscus tea can interact with certain medications, including diuretics and treatments for blood pressure or diabetes. These interactions might amplify the effects of the medications, causing unwanted side effects. Always check with your doctor if you're on any medication and want to include hibiscus tea in your diet. For some individuals, hibiscus tea may cause allergic reactions, such as itchy skin, redness, or irritation. If you're prone to plant allergies, test a small amount first to ensure it's safe for you. Additionally, drinking excessive amounts may lead to temporary digestive discomfort, including nausea or bloating. Lastly, hibiscus tea might affect your body's sugar levels. While it has potential benefits for blood sugar control, people with diabetes need to monitor their intake closely to prevent hypoglycemia. Hibiscus tea is undoubtedly a healthy addition to your routine, but awareness is key to reaping its benefits while avoiding risks. Drink it in moderation and consult a professional if you have any doubts. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others who love hibiscus tea. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.